Hello guys, this is a video shot I'm doing. If you really want to make your headlamps to be glittering, to be as shiny as the way you want it to be, you know, some headlamps, they are orange in color, some they are a little bit darker. So this is what you're going to do. I'm going to show you a trick. It's something which you can do at home. It's very simple than for you to go buy this spray or pay a huge sum of money to do this. I'm giving you this for free, man. But one thing I want you to do, click on the subscribe button and click on like, so that next time I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay. Now you see this, I just did this with my brush and toothpaste. Yep, I did this one already, that's why you see it's glittering. My bulbs, actually they were orange in color, so this is toothpaste I applied here already, I think 10 or 15 minutes ago. So the moment you apply toothpaste, just leave it for about let's say 10 to 15 minutes, and after you can apply some water on it, and then you brush, and then let's see what happens. Okay, I'm going to apply a little bit of water on it. You see this? So I just put some water on it to make it light for me to brush. I'll take my brush and then I'll do this. Okay, now I'm done brushing, so I'm just going to apply some water on it and then let's see what happens. Did you see the trick? From orange color to white. At least you can even see the bulb from inside, okay? Just do this, try this at home and give me a feedback. Give me a comment on the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit on the like button. Thank you very much.